Hello and welcome. Today I just have a quick tip on paper pumpkin. I have been using some paper pumpkin items in my cards and I'm always talking about paper pumpkin. Well, they're having a special and it's only good until May 10th. But for your first 2 months, it's 50% off. So it's a nice time to try it. I'm gonna just show you. This is my latest kit. This is how it comes. It's super cute in a box. They mail it to you like this. And then you get this whole little package. The first one that you get, you'll get one of these, probably half the size of this, but you will get a block so that any of these little sentiments or images, you'll have a block for. In every one of the paper pumpkins, you do get sometimes 1 or 2 colors, typically 1. This particular one is Island Indigo because it goes with this super cute nautical one that we got just this month. But every month there's fabulous things in store for you, and there's enough to make lots of cards. So it's a great way to get started. If you haven't been making cards, maybe you're following me and you're not even a card maker, and you kind of get overwhelmed on what all to do. I'm going to just open this in front of you and show you all of what comes in it. And then I'll show you another one as well. But like, see how I'm always using different little elements. This is a baker's twine and it looks a little bit more nautical. Very cool. And look at, you even get like envelopes. See how you even get the dimensionals and those different styles of dimensionals that I had gotten before. And cute little envelopes in 3 colors here. And here are some fun papers. See, this is where I get so many of those little add-ons that I've been able to put in some of my cards. So many different ideas that you can use besides the one that they give you. And let me just show you that they give you the instructions on how to put these cards together. All the instructions, and there's always a little video online you can watch as well, but this is to sit right there with you while you do your cards. For Christmas, I have made up bunches of cards that they've sent me in my paper pumpkin. I was able to give a lot of cards to the nursing home for people who may not have gotten many Christmas cards, and that was because I had so many cards that I could share on top of what I was sending to my own family and friends. But here is this super cute nautical. Look at all those little images that are nautical. And then the little waves. I love the lighthouse and this anchor. Let's see what the sentiments, they look like Gilligan's Island. If you can see the font, it's like Gilligan's Island. You are my anchor for you. Congratulations. Okay, but I quickly want to show you also another paper pumpkin just from the past so you can get a sense of other ideas. This was a super cute one as well, and it had to do with like donuts. I love you a whole bunch. See, may your day be sprinkled with love. And here's the stamps for that, so semicircle ones. Again, the little mini cubes. And here's little sprinkles. I've used that on my card before. This is a secondary one I got for becoming a demonstrator. They sent me another paper pumpkin, and I already had this one, so I've kept it intact. But let me just show you quickly. I'm trying to be quick here. This was a melon one we got. Of course, you can tell I've used it. And this was super cute, and it has little dots and this sentiment you and best, and then bunches of other ones in between. This was a Valentine one. And this is a sympathy. A fall one. Gratitude, and it had a kind of a crackled look that you can use on other cards too. Hello, this one. And so it's just really fun because you can start to accumulate little ink spots in all different colors and then use those later in other projects. And of course you can use all of these in other projects and the different things that I've showed you in the past. And so anyways, I just wanted you to know quick so you could get in on it that up until May 10th, you can just go to the link below and click on that and you can sign up for Paper Pumpkin and make all sorts of really fun cards for your friends and family. It's also nice to just give a little set of cards to someone as a birthday gift or a thank you. And so, you know, you'll just get all of what you need in that one package. All right, I will see you soon. Take care. God bless you. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.